Oh, cop showed up. Oh no. What is up, guys? Mike from JDM Icon here, and today we're going to be working on my brother's EVO.
That's good.
So he has a few things. He's really big with like interior stuff, so we ordered a bunch of this, like it's like the OEM print, I guess, of the EVO 10. He's basically going to be completing his whole interior.
Do you guys want a ding?
I think they want a ding, dude. Hey!
First time.
So this thing, I was always wondering what the heck this was, but it's actually just a cover you put on top here. Obviously has 3M tape at the back, and it just looks actually really nice. I don't know why.
Come outside and look at it.
I don't know why Mitsubishi didn't do this from the factory, because that actually looks pretty cool. So this is like the OEM, like, I don't know what to call it, but the Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 10 print, and he has the matching like door handle cover. Same here with the thing we just showed you, and the center console that actually looks really good. It looks way better than mine, and it goes all the way around and down here. If you guys are interested in something like this, definitely check out our video, link it in the corner right now, because I think it looks way better than my EVO. Let's see what else Josh has in the box. Dude, is this what I think it is? Is this like the shift boot delete?
Yeah, this is the shift boot
Oh
delete.
shit, that actually looks so sick.
Yeah, dude, and I got it. Basically, this is custom made. I don't remember the guy's Instagram, but I'll put it. We'll put it somewhere on the screen. And he basically is from, I think, California. He custom made this, and I'm pretty sure he's the only person in the entire world doing a shift boot delete for the EVO 10.
I'm actually really interested to see how this looks, because as you guys know, almost all manual cars have like a cloth, like a shift boot, and this is a shift boot delete. So this, as you can see, it's all carbon, and like how Josh said, it's custom made in California. I think this is actually gonna look really cool. I haven't seen this on an EVO yet, so this is really cool.
I'm so excited, dude. I'm so excited.
Holy shit, look at this Cadillac CTS formats. Look
Bro,
at this guy.
I didn't want to
This
clean
guy's
it.
bougie,
and over it all.
holy!
I forgot I even had
Damn!
rags. I had rags in here too.
Man, this air freshener just smells so good. Shout out to Dana Senpai for sending this out to us, because it's just, I think this is the best smelling
Air freshener I've ever smelled. I'm
yeah,
not even
100%. This is the best one. I'd probably like rub this over my body instead of cologne, you know what I mean? Like, it's so good.
Yeah, honestly.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It's so good.
So we're gonna install the shift boot delete first. So if you guys are wanting to swap out your shift boot on your EVO 10 Rally or Lancer or whatever, this is basically a tutorial on how to do it. The only thing is we're gonna be using this instead of a shift boot. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna come over here and basically remove this. And there we go. So we got that off. And this.
Oh, that was so easy.
Yeah, it was very easy. Then this should, I think this should just pop out, if I'm not mistaken.
Man, I hate taking out interior shit.
I know.
It feels like you're gonna break it, right?
You're gonna break the car, which I felt like that was gonna happen multiple of times. Screwdriver. Screws there. But anyways, we take the shift knob out, your current shift knob.
And another thing you have to take out is this retainer right here. There are 4 screws, 2 on each side, holding the shift boot in. Once you have that out, the whole shift boot should just come off. So behind the shift boot delete, we have the 2 screws that we explained earlier, but the 2 bottom ones don't exactly line up. So what I'm gonna do is Dremel them out to make the holes a little bit larger so the screws go in.
So finally got the shift boot delete installed, and it looks absolutely amazing. I don't know, I think it'll look so clean like that. So the next problem we have is this. We need to take out the, what do you call this? Like
I guess it's like the shift boot retainer to hold the shift boot up. This actually came on the car, and you can see there's like a rubber piece, so I might have to get a vice grip and just wiggle this whole thing out. And we're probably gonna try and fix up this little surface rust here. Basically, this thing just started pulling up, and it just got squished, and it got really tight in there. but we were able to take it out.
So we just are polishing the shifter, and look how shiny it became.
Look at that. Look at that, dude.
Bro,
like a
it's like
damn
a
mirror. Look
Jeez,
at that.
that looks sick.
So before it was kind of like this, you can kind of feel or hear with your nail. I don't know if the camera's picking it up.
Yeah,
It was like that, but now look at this. Just silence.
butter, bro. It's butter now.
So good.
Sheesh. Yo, stop doing that.
Sorry, my bad. It's just so used to it now.
Thanks, Mike. We can put everything back because I think that's it, right?
Oh, dude. What happened?
Just to put the shifter.
Oh, dude, you forgot the most important part. Oh, dude.
There we go. All right, so now that we have everything in, this is how it looks like. I think it looks really good.
Let me just get the shifter.
Oh yeah, you got the shift knob. He has a new shift knob too.
I think it looks different. I think it looks pretty good, and it's definitely something you won't see every day on an EVO 10. Okay.
So this is the new shift knob that I got from Chasing J's. It's a titanium shift knob. To be honest, dude, Chasing J's, I love your products, but for a shift knob, you guys could have put it in a box or something.
Yeah, even
bro,
like
and this
blocks.
was not a cheap shift knob either.
Yeah, even
Yeah.
blocks like the cheaper shift knobs, they come in boxes.
Literally, yeah, and it's only blocks is like $50.
Is it higher now?
It's higher now. So practically, I have
Your step on the clutch, dude. Actually, no, it's actually
Let's see.
nice.
Bro, I'm super far from my seat. Look at this. I'm super far because I put my
Randy trunk problems.
Bro, I actually like that.
So today is a new day. Obviously, Josh finished installing everything. And I just wanted to show you guys what he has done here. He did order a Chasing J's shift pattern, and I think it looks really clean right here, especially with the carbon fiber and the titanium accents. I was worried that when he goes into second, it's gonna hit, but there is actually a lot of space there, which isn't actually that bad. It's actually really good. At first, I wasn't a huge fan of this shift boot delete, but honestly, it looks really, really good. I don't know, I kind of want one too. At the same time, I kind of like the old school shift boot. But nevertheless, Josh, I think you did a pretty good job on this because it looks really good. If you're like Josh and you're really big into car interiors, because as the driver, that's obviously the place you're going to spend the most time in. If you're big into these things, I highly recommend you guys check this out. You could also get them hydro dipped, wrapped, whatever pattern or color you guys like. Right now, we are meeting up with a few friends. I'm not too sure what the plan is, but I think we're just gonna hang out, take some pictures with the cars. Unfortunately, my Z is super dirty because it rained earlier today and I had to go out. So their cars are probably gonna be looking really clean. We're meeting up at a car wash. If you have enough time, I am going to wash the Z. I just remembered I didn't bring any towels or like rags to dry off the car. So that sucks. But anyways, it's probably gonna get dirty again. The Z is the daily, so let's go ahead and check out what cars they brought and enjoy the night. All right, so we made it. We have Jay's Integra, Ken's Subi. Braden's also coming with his Integra, and of course, the Z. And the background we have for this shot is actually really, really cool. So it's like an abandoned concrete or like industrial place that we have like this big thing. It looks like it's out of Star Wars or something. It looks pretty sick. So we're gonna park the cars up here and they're gonna be taking pictures. Look at this beauty right here. Look at this, man. Dude, it's totally possible, man. Holy. To get inside here, because Ken wants to get a shot over there and I actually agree with him. That'd be sick. But dude, it's totally possible.
I don't know about Jay's Integra.
I think he can make it through. We just have to move that and all of this here and we can like turn inside here. Yeah. Yo, this spot looks so good. Holy. Damn. All different colors too. So this concrete rock was under Jay's Integra. It didn't scrape, but just about. Holy fuck. I wish I got that in the video. That's crazy. Why is it heavy? Oh, it was just poop holding it in. Oh, that's so nasty. Oh, it was just goose poop holding it in. I can't wait to see how these pictures come out because this looks so good. Damn. Dude, like I wish I could get like this shot, like this. Yo, that looks so cool. Oh, so. Security! So of course we had to stop by a 7-Eleven for the iconic 7-Eleven shot, and we had to take pictures of the Integras, which look super cool, just like a 90s JDM aesthetic look. I can't wait to see how these pictures turn out because 7-Eleven shots always hit different. Oh shoot! Cop showed up! Oh no! And what's the cop gonna say to us? Are we disturbing the peace, officer?
Oh, of course.
So unfortunately, because I left the Z not running with the lights on, the Z is dead and it needs a push start. So luckily I have all the guys and Roxanne to help push the Z. Yeah, keep her going.
She's stretched. Oh, full flex. Your foot's on the brake, dude.
Your foot's on the brake?
There we go. There we go. It's started. Come on. Oh, this. Oh. Now it's harder. I think it's good there. Why are you going in the road? Okay, we're going down Portage. Go!
Keep her going, boys!
Hold on. Here's coming back up.
Boys, I need more momentum! Keep her going!
Oh, chill! Guys! Guys, come on! I can't do it myself!
Focus your chakra on your feet. Why is it always the Nissan? She's tight, bro. She's tight.
Oh. Hello?
Alright, so we got the Z running again. Kevin was inside and I was helping Brayden, Roxanne push. The other guys, oh, I'm out of breath. I'm fat. Jesus Christ. But Jay and Ken are over there getting their cars. So, oh, I'm so happy it's running. I probably won't turn it off for the rest of the night. This is how we fit 4 people. There's Brayden and Roxanne at the back. Kevin and I are in here. Who said the Z wasn't practical, man? So I just made it home. It was such a fun night with the guys. I definitely wouldn't have been able to get the car started without them. But anyways, I'm gonna have to end the video here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.